Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you how we made these lavender sachets in my art classes in London this week, and also I'm going to share a few health benefits with lavender and why it will help you fight flu-like symptoms and respiratory problems. Keep watching! As Mother's Day is approaching in the UK, I wanted to make a special gift for my clients, the mums of the kids that I'm doing art with here in London. And then I thought of lavender sachets, and I remember that we made these for our mums when we were kids, and it was such a nice gift that I remember that she kept in her wardrobe for a very, very long time, like for years even. So I thought it was a fun gift to make for mums and something that they can keep. And it smells lovely. So thinking of this project, I was doing a little bit of research and I got in contact with Lavender World, who actually sent a delivery, and so this project is a collaboration with Lavender World. So thank you so much guys for sending out a whole bag of lavender. It smells so lovely. If you remember these glass jars that I made a couple of videos ago, I'm gonna scoop the lavenders in these ones to have them in storage. Now you can see I have a lot of this lavender now. Unfortunately, because of the whole outbreak in London, it's gone quite crazy over the last few days actually. Well, over the past few weeks, but especially over the last few days. So a lot of my clients have either left London and gone to the countryside or decided to go into self-isolation, and a lot of my classes haven't been on this week. So I have a lot of lavender left that I'm keeping in storage for them so that we can make more of these once everything calms down. This too will pass. Other than the lovely fragrance and the beautiful purple color, lavender also has a few health benefits. One of the most known benefits with lavender is the soothing aroma. So breathing in the aroma, it actually is calming for your brain, and it helps you relax and de-stress, and it helps to soothe anxiety as well. And because of that, it also helps with restlessness. So if you pop it inside your pillowcase, it is actually gonna improve your quality of sleep. You can find lavender in quite a few different forms. Like this one is, for example, it's a spray that you spray in the air, or you can spray it directly on your pillow, and that will also be soothing for your sleep. And then there's oil, lavender oil, which can be used in many ways. And one way is if you have flu-like symptoms and you have difficulties breathing and you have congestion in your chest, you can put a few drops of lavender oil and spread it over your neck and your chest, and it's a natural stimulation to get rid of phlegm in your body. And you can also find lavender tea, and it's said to help you with the same problems, with flu-like symptoms. If you drink lavender tea twice a day, it will help you with respiratory problems, and it will make it easier for you to breathe. Lavender is also said to help with repelling bugs. So if you have problems with mosquitoes in the summer, for example, you can put a vase with lavender and it's meant to keep them away. And also, if you pop these bags inside your closet, your wardrobes or your drawers, it is meant to keep moths away. Let me turn the camera around so I can show you how we made the bags. To make these sachets, I used this kind of bags that I ordered online. They come in different kind of packages, so I ordered one with 60 and I've got plenty of them. And they have this kind of thing that you just pull together and tie a double knot like that. And then I used as a double-sided tape on the back, and the kids simply just stuck it on wherever they wanted on the bag. And then I found wooden love signs. So we stuck these ones on with double-sided tape as well on the front. So scooping the lavender inside the bag is already a nice stimulation for younger kids. as they get the stimulation from the aroma and as well as the texture from the lavender. And then use the scooping. This already is quite challenging for a 2-year-old. So that took quite a while. And then I'll let them play a bit with the lavender as well. Meanwhile, they're figuring this out. Scoop, 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 and in the bag.
Oh no.
Don't worry, we'll tidy that after. It smells lovely, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, it's so yummy.
Nice.
Almost.
Is it full? A little bit more, right?
Yeah. I did it.
And then when it's full enough, pull it together like this. Tie a double knot to keep it all in there. So you can use these bags for quite a few things. As mentioned already, you can put them in your storage or in your drawer to keep it smelling nice and fresh, or in your luggage. You know, when you come back from a holiday and you empty it out and you put it in storage somewhere, pop a little lavender bag inside, and next time you take it out, it will smell nice again. And what else? You can put it in your car. Oh, one thing that I learned is you can pop a bag in your bath and it will smell nice and have a soothing effect. De-stressing.
Leah, don't tell Mom I'm putting lavender.
Thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope this was helpful for you, and happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. I hope you get to celebrate, even though it might be a little bit different than the other years due to the circumstances. I still hope that you have a nice time together with your family, and yeah, I hope your kids are nice to you on Sunday. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon. Bye.